Dear students, today I have solved two problems from R.S. Agarwal. This is for class 10 and from coordinate geometry. I have already been given the formula that has been used in this sums. Just see the first sum. The base BC of an equilateral triangle ABC lies on y-axis. The coordinates of point C are 0, 3. The origin is the midpoint of the base. Find the coordinate of A and B. Also find the coordinates of another point D such that ABCD is a rhombus. Dear students, it is given that BC is the base of an equilateral triangle. In an equilateral triangle, all the sides are equal. This is BC and this side is on the y-axis. And coordinate of C are 0, minus 3. This is C. 0, minus 3 it is. The origin is the midpoint of the base. This is the origin and it is the midpoint of the base. That is x0, y0. Find the coordinate of A and B. This is A and this is B. We have to find out A and B. It may be A may be on this side or on that side. Whatever it may be. Now we are already known that the sides of an equilateral triangle are equal. So it will be BC equal to CA equal to AB. All these sides will be equal. And OC equal to 3 unit. Just say this is 3 unit. It is minus, neglecting the negative magnitude. We are telling that O to C is 3 units. So O to B must be 3. That is BC will be equal to 6 unit. Therefore AB also and AC also will be 6 unit. Let A equal to X and 0. Therefore AB square equal to X minus C whole square plus 0 minus 3 whole square according to the distance formula. That is 6 square. Therefore AB equal to 6. AB equal to 6. And AB square equal to X square plus 9, that is 36. That is X square equal to 26. Therefore X equal to plus minus 3 root 3. So the point A may be here or may be there. Here or there. When it is on the positive side, it is 3 root 3 is 0, and when it is on the negative side, it will be minus 3 root 3 and 0. Now it is now known that A is 3 root 3 is 0 or minus 3 root 3 is 0. Yeah. And the point B is on the y-axis, which is 0 and 3. 0 and 3. So it is the one answer. Again, when ABCD is a rhombus, that is AB equal to BC equal to AD equal to 6 unit, the coordinate D is either this 3 root 3 minus 6. This is 3 root 3 and minus 6, because this is BC equal to 6 unit. So it will be AD will be also 6 unit, or it will be minus, this is minus or plus on this way or on that way, whatever it may be. Now question number 2. ABCD is a rectangle formed by the points A minus 1, B minus 1, 4, C 5, 4 and D 5, minus 1. If P, Q, R, S, B, the midpoints of AB, BC, CD, DA respectively, so that PQRS is a rhombus. Now see that ABCD is a rectangle. So ABCD is a rectangle and PQRS are the midpoints of AB, BC, CD and DA. According to the midpoint formula, we have find out the coordinates of P equal to, this is P equal to 2 minus 2, 4. P equal to minus 1, 3 by 2. This is minus 1, 3 by 2. Q equal to 2, 4. Q equal to 2, 4. And R equal to 5, 3 by 2. This is R. This is 5, 3 by 2. And S equal to 2 minus 1. S equal to 2 minus 1. So the midpoints P, Q, R, S on AB, BC, CD and DA respectively, we have got the coordinates of PQRS. Now by joining with dot lines, this is PQRS is a rhombus. Now we have to find out that this is a rhombus. We know that in case of rhombus all the sides are equal. So PQ, QR and RS, SP, we have find out that distance. PQ equal to root over 6 T1 61 by 4 units, and RS equal to root over 61 by 4 units. SP is also root over 6 T1 by 4 units, and PQ is equal to QR equal to RS equal to SP equal to 61 by 4 units. So it is clear that PQRS is a rhombus, as because the sides are equal. Now we have to prove that the diagonals are not equal. Now by distance formula, PR equal to 6 unit, and QS according to distance formula it is 9 units. So we can easily say now that PQRS is a quadrilateral in which all sides are equal, that is root over 64 by 4 units, and the diagonals are not equal, that is PQ not equal to QS, PQ equal to PR not equal to QS, PR equal to 6 unit and QS equal to 9 unit. So it is clear now that PQRS is a rhombus. This is proved. Dear students, you may put your problems in my comment box so that I can solve for you. This much today. Try to follow my classes. That's all today.